Hi guys, it's Amar time here. So today we're gonna make a hurricane in a glass with an egg whisker, electronic egg whisker. So all you have to do, it's really easy. So all you have to do is place it in, and then just flip. Flick the switch down like this, and then it'll start spinning. And then look at this. Yeah. And then like the hurricane appears. This looks really cool. You can even turn it. And then you should go back to your normal state. And then whenever you want to stop, you can just turn it off.